Hey, good morning. Happy Thursday, April 23rd. This is day 14 for distance learning. And I just wanted to give you guys a background of where I'm at as far as what I'm delivering to you to do for science class. It feels like these last couple days have been a little slow as far as jumping into the waves unit. And there's a reason why. I want to divide our waves unit into 4 equal weeks, and there are 4 equal topics that I want to spend some time on. And so if I do this right, if I do this the way that I want to plan it, that means that we are jumping into that first topic of waves starting on Monday for next week. So that means, what do I do with these 3 days? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yesterday, just kind of gave you a relaxing, like, go find a rope, go see what's happening as you are, putting a wave through that rope to the chair. And I'm sure that you were able to predict how that was going to go, but to think about what was happening and where you were putting the energy into the rope was where the value was. And just getting you to crack open that textbook and read those pages is a good start to just starting this conversation about what waves are. You see, there's a lot of different kinds of waves. And I want to start today and tomorrow with talking about what all waves have in common, like what the whole family of waves, what they are, what they do, and what they cause to happen. When we start on Monday, then, I'm going to start breaking them apart and telling you about each little category of waves and spending some time talking about each of those. So here's what's going to happen. For today, I want you to watch Brain Pop. I want you to watch this video. And with watching this, I know it's kind of nice to go back and just see Tim and Moby and revisit and learn a little bit about waves. And you might not feel like it's a lot, but I am priming your brains. It's like I'm getting your muscles ready for your brains to start thinking about the possibility of what these waves can do. Once that's done, tomorrow, I'm going to be talking to you about what all waves have in common. And here's what I want you to bring. I need you to bring some note cards with you to your desk, not to class, to bring it to your desk. We're going to go old fashioned here. We're going to be making some note cards on index cards for vocabulary, because when we start breaking apart all the differences in these different waves, I'm going to start combing through and talking about all the different pieces and parts of the waves that you are learning about. So that's in a nutshell what's happening with this waves unit. Today we're watching Brain Pop. I want you to take a quiz, either review or grade it, and I want you to come back to Pear Deck and tell me how you did on that. Tomorrow we're going to be taking some notes in Pear Deck, and I want you to create a couple of index cards. So that's where we're at, and then that will be wrapping up our third week for science class. If you do have any questions, let me know. Send me an email or drop into my office hours tomorrow at 10:30, but that's all I have. Have a wonderful day. All right, bye-bye.